Thanks for tuning in to this Phantom video. In this demonstration, we're going to cover the Mission Control UI in the Phantom platform. The Mission Control UI is where an analyst will be spending most of his or her time while processing a security event. The objective of this view is to bring together many capabilities within the platform, as well as the original security event data, making it easy to interact with tools, data, results, as well as collaboration capabilities, all within a single view. Let's process this view from top to bottom. In the header of the Mission Control view, you'll find high-level details associated with the event, such as timestamps, how many actions have been executed, how many playbooks have been executed, and many other high-level details of the event. In the header, you also can do things like change ownership of the event, as well as change status. In the central part of the Mission Control view, you'll find the artifact table. This artifact table contains all of the high-fidelity security event data that was ingested as part of the security event. Each of these artifact items can be expanded to view more detailed information about the artifact, as well as collapsed. You can customize the view of this artifact table by clicking these three dots and selecting which data fields or standard columns you want to display. In the artifact table, you can operate directly on artifacts from within this view. On the left-hand side, there's a menu that drops down that allows you to edit or delete the artifact, add the artifact to a case, or run a playbook directly against the artifact. Other ways you can interact with the data within the artifacts are through what's called the Contextual Menu. Here on this IP address, I can drop down a menu that will show me a series of actions that I could execute against that data type, an IP address in this case. Here under the Investigate listing, I can do things like geolocate an IP, get device information, hunt IP reputation, among many other actions. I also can look at the history associated with this indicator as well by clicking on the History tab. This will give me a listing of all of the events that occurred that had this IP address associated with it. The sections here that are adjacent to the artifacts table are also helpful to the analyst. From left to right, we have the timeline, which shows all of the activity associated with the event over time. Next is the heads-up display, where you can pin the most important messages and critical data for the analyst to view first. We have the artifacts table, which we've already talked about. The file vault is a location where you can upload files associated with the event. The approvals tab will list any pending approvals associated with the event. And lastly, you have event reports that you can generate. In the upper right-hand corner of this view are the launch action and launch playbook views. From here, you can launch any action for any tool that's been plugged into Phantom. You can search by action type, as well as search by app. You also have the option to launch a playbook, which would allow you to automate these actions against the security data that's been ingested. The lower half of the Mission Control view contain a series of widgets, which are visual representations of the action results that have come back from apps that have executed. These results have been generated through either automated action execution or automated playbook execution or perhaps manual action execution. But they summarize the action results that have come back from each of the actions. They're also interactive. I can toggle these views from the base table view that are provided by the app, or look at the raw JSON view. Moving over to the left side of the screen, we have the activity pane, which will show you all of the actions and activity that have been executed against this event. This also serves as a collaboration tool as well. I can write chat messages in here. I can also message people directly and send them a notification via app mentions. The Mission Guidance tab in Phantom will show you mission experts, playbooks, and actions that are recommended to be used as part of processing the event. We hope you found this demonstration of Mission Control very useful. We encourage you to download the community edition of Phantom from our community site at my.phantom.us, where you could explore the mission control interface as well as all of the other features included in the Phantom platform. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the Community Edition. Thank you.